TWR Thirsty Thursday, and Lotto Pics. The market is our war zone and stocks are the battle. Join TWR and let's go to war. Before we get started, please watch the 60-second promo for our next TWR upcoming class. Plan your battles with Traders War Room Classes. Join TWR on 19 March at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time and learn how to trade the market utilizing economics and fundamentals with guest instructor Devin Trades. Technical analysis is a great tool. Price action patterns, signals to buy here, sell there from levels, but no clarity on global markets or how corporate fundamentals work, and they tie into global economics. Don't worry, Traders War Room has you covered. Our expert is educated in economics and financials, not just in technical analysis, but with really breaking down the fundamentals so you can understand how global economics react and ultimately make tons of money. Register for class today and learn how to use economics and fundamentals to destroy the marketplace. This is a must-have class. I will see you there. Let's go to war. How's TWR doing thus far? We've had a great week thus far. Monday, we had GE pushing for 175 per contract, entered 150, exited 325. We also secured DOCU on Tuesday, 152 per contract, entered 173, exited 325. Wednesday, we went ahead and secured on BABA. We entered BABA 83 put at 140 and exited out at 310, 170 per contract. Today, we went ahead and secured Meta. We entered the Meta, and this was a YouTube trade at 149. We secured some at 290, left a few runners to go. And we also secured Apple for $55 per contract. This was a cheap play because sometimes, you know what? Bank accounts are running thin, and I want to make sure everybody gets something. So we entered at 55, and we went ahead and pulled the trigger at 110 for that 2x. And these are just mine, guys. I have over 30 other analysts pushing alerts on TWR. Let's check some out so you guys just don't think I'm a one-trick pony. Check out this fire alert that one of my own TWR analysts pushed, TLM, Microsoft trade. Look at that entry. He entered at 145, exited at 5. That's the good for 355 per contract. Fire. What about one of my junior analysts? Look at T-Love right here. Got this fire NVDA trade. 250 call, entered at 77, exited today at 460. That's good for 383 per contract. Even if you just got one, man, you winning. What about TWR trending trades? Look at this one, Meta, 200 call. We entered this at 96. This was a swing trade. We pushed this all the way out, closed today at 398. That's good for 302 per contract. And take a look at Trade Hunter, guys. A momentum trade off a snap, entered at 11 call at 1, trimmed out at 123, left some for the run. Guys, that's good for $23 per contract. Y'all get the point, right? Something for everyone, every style, every budget. And we're growing the future with TWR analysts. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible when you're a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting money. That's not making money. Join TWR. The links are in the description. Join TWR and trade with the bulls. All links are in the description. Stocks I like for trades. SPY absolutely had a huge day, so we're going to go ahead and do some basic triggers. We got the top one set at about 397.75, the bottom at 393.75 with the follow through in the lavender. Don't be afraid to take this trade, especially if you see that we're trending hard on the moving averages. But if you're doing lottos, you need to be in and be out, and definitely I highly recommend at least pushing your contract out until Monday or Tuesday of next week, because you don't want some implied volatility crush and some premium dump from 180 reversals affecting your trade. Microsoft, absolutely disgusting movements to the upside, which we love, okay? So we got the top line trigger set at about 280. We can use that as a guidance, 280.50, right? And then the bottom one is set about 269.50. So what we're looking for is any type of movement on the day on the moving averages pointing towards a bullish continuation or a bearish retreat. So definitely we're flowing with the trend on these lottos because we had some explosive movements today, and we can always keep continuation going to the upside, but we need to make sure that we're ready for it. One of the reasons why Microsoft hit so hard is because BIDU pushed out their version of ChatGPT, and just like when Google did it, they busted. Okay, so Microsoft is pretty much king at the artificial intelligence type of thing currently, and they're definitely getting a lot of love from the investors. FDX, we're either looking for a breakout above the trigger or a breakdown from too much too soon. AMD, if we look like we can keep the continuation going, then I think that we got a couple bucks to the upside. However, if the market trends to the downside, we'll be looking for the put. While it's getting tied up with that bank volatility, so we're definitely looking for some volatility pushing out of this consolidation zone, going to the upside to the downside. Meta absolutely been just crazy volatility. We like this for a push to the upside, as Meta has a price target of 240 on it by most analysts. However, if the market cools down, we could see some breakdown from the consolidation zone. NVDA, most analysts have this at a 270 target. However, I do think that we might get into a little bit too much too soon on this particular ticker, and we'll get the cool down period. However, it will trend with the market. So if we start to see the market booming, then we can feel secure enough to go ahead and go with some out of the money calls for potentially a swing trade. That's it, team. Don't forget to register for the upcoming class, traderswarroom.com/upcoming classes. We'll see you there 19 March at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war.